My name is St.Claire and this is the world's most underground craft channel. This week we're making candles that look like flowers. Yes, they even work. Come on, bud. But first we have to take everything outside. Excuse me. And here's everything you'll need.
Why are you outside?
Huh?
You should tell them why you're outside.
So we're outside because I love candles and I have spilt wax on every single piece of furniture we own. I've gone for a soy wax for a soy boy, so that'll be good. I also do need to say, I don't know what I'm doing. I usually just start these things and hope I stumble into some magic along the way. And you know what? Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do. Fingers crossed, this is one of them. It will be. Fingers crossed, I don't know, I haven't actually seen it yet. But let's start first of all. I got like one of these camper things, and we're gonna attach some gas to it and we're gonna fire melt wax. And now we're done. And there we go, look at that! How good does that look? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The pot pan thing didn't work. I had to scoop and spoon, scoop and spoon, scoop and spoon. You could also do that if, I don't know, if yours doesn't work. That's about the thickness we want because it's flour and you don't want a chode flour. Ugh. 2 videos in a row, I've tried to put in chode. Hey editor, can you please edit that one out? No, I think I'll leave it in. Thank you. However, while doing this, I have encountered a problem. Everything just took too long. I understand it. I'm a man of time. So what we're gonna try and do, the wax is like half melted. We're just gonna, let's see this. I think if I can scoop it and just put it around, that will be like better. Is this gonna be hot? Oh, that's not too hot at all. Start the music again, let's do this one. Ow! Oh, that doesn't work. Oh. That's burning. That didn't work at all. Like, that was embarrassing how bad that works. I apologise for that. Now it's time for colour. And to do this, we're just going to make new wax, colour that, drip all of that colour onto what we want. Green for the stalk, yellow for the top little nub. Top little nub, what are they called? Bud? Bud? No, what's that called? The middle of a flower, what's that called? Bud? No, it's not bud. Well, anyway, back to petals. Yes, I have got this paper that's kind of porous-y, look. We're just going to cut petals out of this, dip it in wax, and then stick those to the stems. Red. I got some smells. We got fig and melon. That smells. Here we go. What does that smell like? Oh, not bad. Not bad, but my favourite, dragon's blood. This one smells. Dragon blood also smells, so. Yummy. It started raining. But that's alright. Have a look at these! Yes! Here's what I will say. I'm proud of myself for this one. Oh my god, these still stink. Move over. Ugh. Enough of that though. Enough of that. How good are the stalks and the little bulb bits? Here we go. Love it! Oh, how good does that look? I made that. Also, this one here, it does look sickly compared to the others. I thought these were too dark, and then I tried lighting it up. Oh, it didn't work. Looks ugly, so we just got one ugly one. How good are the petals? Oh, focus on that, not me. Oh. However, I do have a problem. My holes are too small, too tight, and here's the plan. Take the candle and then thread it through there, so we've got the stick, the bud, the petals, all, but as you see, it's too small. Got a solution though. I have got a, what's it called? Soldering iron. This heats up. I'm going to burn through the wax here, make a little hole, thread it on this. Fingers crossed. Let's give it a go. Oh, that's working. Oh, that's working. How big is this now? Oh, that's working. More though, too much yellow on the bottom. And we're done! How good do these look? Excuse the boob. Excuse the boob. Oh, I'm just going to do hero shots right now. Make some noise! Hero shots! The sun came back out. Spring is very confusing in New Zealand. But look at this. Oh! Gotta film the intro. Gotta film the intro now. Don't waste it. Don't waste it. Gotta film the intro. Oh, shit. Oh, crap. Crap. Blow out slowly. Blow out slowly. Thank you. Pleb. Thank. Don't trip. Thank you for watching. My name has been St.Claire. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Links and stuff. You know. Thank you, honestly. If you make one of these, let me know. Thank you, bye-bye. Bye again. Bye again. Why did that do that?